Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying readiness. Check your Windows version, free disk space, and a quick backup so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Windows Insider Program. This is the direct path to enroll. Sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted. That links your device to the Insider service. Make sure to use the account you intend to receive builds on, because that association controls access and recovery options. You now pick the channel that matches your risk tolerance and testing goals. Dev gives earliest features, beta is balanced, and release preview is closest to stable. Once selected, accept the terms and enable required diagnostic data collection. Microsoft uses that to deliver builds and fixes. Then adjust Windows Update settings to control when large builds download and restart. Set active hours and bandwidth limits so updates do not interrupt your workflow. After that, check for updates to trigger the first Insider build download. You should run check for updates and install the Insider build, then restart when prompted to finalize installation. After reboot, verify the build number in Settings System about so you know exactly which preview you're running, and open Feedback Hub to report any issues. That helps prioritize fixes. If you encounter major problems, use recovery to roll back to the previous build or perform a clean install of the stable release. Keep your Microsoft account and backup handy to restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.